So the next group we're going to talk about are the amphibians. So here at Knowsley, we have got a lovely frog. He's a white trees frog, and we call him Yoda. So you can see a little bit of footage of him here. So the amazing thing about amphibians is their life cycles. So we've got some pictures here, so you can have a little look, and I'd like you to see if you can put them in the right order. So we have got a frog. We've got some tadpoles. We have also got a froglet, and we've got some frog spawn. So see if you can work out what order they should go in. So hopefully you've all had a little go at that. And if you said the frog spawn was first, then you are correct. And that is followed by the tadpoles. And then they would turn into a froglet, and then they become a frog. So amphibian, it actually means two lives. They start by having a life in water, and then they end up having a life on land. This process, where they start out as one thing and turn into something else, this is called metamorphosis. Have a little think and see if you can think of any other animals that do this. So have a little look at our frog here and see if you can work out what he's covered in. Has he got fur like the mammals? Has he got feathers like the birds? Has he got scales like the reptiles? Well, you can see that no, he's not got any of those. He's actually covered in bare skin. And just like the reptiles, he's cold-blooded too, so he needs to be somewhere nice and warm to keep himself warm.